Hello friends, this is Vikram Korde, Assistant Professor of Agricultural Economics, KKO College of Agricultural, Nasik. In this online learning session, we can focus on one of the marketing function, that is risk taking or risk bearing. So let us see one by one. So first is the definition of risk. Risk is a uncertainty about cost, loss or damage. It is a very simple definition of risk. That is, it is uncertainty about cost, loss or damage. There is a difference between risk and uncertainty. In economics, the major difference between risk and uncertainty is that risk is measurable, and uncertainty is not measurable. Risk is measurable with the help of standard deviation, probabilities, etc. And uncertainty is not measurable. So definition of risk is it is uncertainty about cost, loss or damage. So let us focus on types of risks in marketing. So there are three major risks in marketing. That is, first one is physical risk, second is price risk, and third is institutional risk. Let's see one by one. First, focus on physical risk. The physical risk means it is this includes a loss in the quantity and quality of the product during the marketing process. So physical risk is associated with quantity and quality. So there is a loss of quantity and quality due to fire, flood, earthquake, rodents, insects, pest, fungus, excessive moisture or temperature, careless handling, and unscientific storage, improper package, looting or arson. By this way, there is a loss in quantity and quality of the product. So these together account for a large part of the loss of the produce at the individual as well as macro level. So this loss is account for a large part of the loss of the produce at the micro as well as macro level. Such losses are a loss to a society to and must avoided to the extent possible. So second types of risk in marketing is a price risk. So the prices of agricultural products fluctuate not only from year to year, but during year from month to month, day to day, and even on the same day. The changes in prices may be upward or downward. So you know that there is a price variation in market is from year to year, month to month, or even day to day, or even on the same day, and this may be upward and downward. So price variation cannot be ruled out for the factors affecting the demand for and the supply of agricultural products are continuously changes. In markets, a price variation is because of the demand and supply. So you know that demand and supply is always changing in the market. So there is a upward and downward movement in the price. A price fall may cause a loss to the trader or farmer who stocks the produce. This price fall may cause loss to the trader as well as farmer. Sometimes the risks are so great that they may result in a total failure of the business, and the person who owns it may become bankrupt. So because of the price risk, they result in total failure of the business, and person who owns it may become bankrupt. Third type of risk in marketing is the institutional risk. These risks include the risks arising out of a change in the government policy, tariffs and tax laws, in the movement restrictions, statutory price controls and imposition of levies. So institutional risk it is due to government policy, tariffs and tax laws, in the movement restrictions, statutory price controls and imposition of levies. So this is the institutional risk. So let's see how minimization of risk. So first is a reduction in physical loss. So in that, use of fireproof materials in the storage structures to prevent accidents due to fire. So use fireproof materials in storage structures to prevent accident due to fire. Second is use of improved storage structures and giving necessary pre-storage treatment to the product to prevent losses in quality and quantity arising out of excessive moisture, temperature, attacks by insects and pests, fungus and rodents. In this, use improved storage structures and giving necessary pre-storage treatment. It is important. So, use of better and quicker transportation method and proper handling during transit. Use of proper packaging material and use of cold chain for perishable commodities like grapes, milk, etc. So, transfer of risk to insurance companies. So, burden of physical risk may minimized by shifting it to the insurance companies. They are specialized professional agencies to bear such risks. They collect some premium and provide full compensation to the party in case of loss due to reasons for which the products are insured. In this way, the company insures a number of farmers against losses. The government of India, through Agricultural Insurance Corporation, that is AIC, is implementing a massive agricultural insurance program for farmers. So, last is a minimization of price risk. The risk associated with variations in the prices may be minimized by the adoption of the following measures. In that, first is fixation of minimum and maximum prices of commodities by the government and allowing movements in prices only within the specified range. So this is the first measure, fixation of minimum and maximum prices. Second is making arrangement for the dissemination of accurate and scientific price information to all sections of the society over space and time. So market, you know that market information, there are three types of market information. First is market news, that is current information of the market. Market intelligence, that is past information of the market. And market outlook, that is future information market. So this method, this dissemination of market information is accurate and scientific over a space of time, over a space and time. This should include information on a market demand, acreage under particular crops, estimates of market supply and of the import and export of commodities. An effective system of advertising may reduce price uncertainty and create a favorable atmosphere for a commodity. And last is operation of speculation and hedging. It is very important. The price risk associated with the commodities for which the facility of forward trading is available may be transferred to professionals through the operation of hedging. Means speculation and hedging is very important in the case of minimization of price risk. In this way, in this lecture, we can say that what do we mean by risk, what are the types of risk in marketing, and how to minimize the risk in marketing. So thank you very much.